What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my hot oil treatment. This is my very first time doing a hot oil treatment on my hair by myself. I've had hot oil treatments maybe 3 times in my entire life. I do a lot of deep conditioning, but lately my scalp has been very itchy and just been very irritated. So I looked up things that I could do to try to alleviate that rather than constantly shampooing and washing my hair, because once my hair is stretched out, I try to let my hair be stretched out to a week and a half, and then I'll wash my hair if I used heat. So I looked up some things that I could do, and one of the things was I should do a hot oil treatment. So I did a hot oil treatment. Some of the oils that I use is the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil, and I use tea tree oil for the itching, and I also use red palm oil. Red palm oil is great for your hair, however, it will stain. I need to reach for this, it will stain. I use red palm oil in my hair to moisturize my hair when I do the LOC method, and it never stained anything, but I guess it's because my hair is absorbing it. But in this situation, it dyed everything. So make sure you put on a shirt that you do not mind messing up, and you grab a towel that can just be your hot oil treatment day towel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into this video, babes. I know I can ramble, so after this, it's going to be completely voiceover.
Alright, babe, so make sure you keep your towel on. I keep taking my towel on and off because it's just too daggone hot to me. But make sure you keep your towel on because I did get oil all over the place and it was hard to get out. So keep your towel on. I'm starting with my hair separated into 4 sections, and I'm going to separate the back sections into 3 and then split those in half to make my twist. So in the back I will have 12 twists total, and I'm just going to use my water bottle just to dampen it a little bit so I can go ahead and detangle it with my easy detangler brush. After that, I'm going to apply my oil to my scalp, and I'm going to massage it down the shaft of my hair and squeeze it into my ends. Once it's completely saturated with oil, I'm going to go ahead and twist it up and move on to the next section. Side note, guys, I just want to say, I'm so sorry that I haven't posted in the last 2 weeks. My legs have been killing me. My sickle cell has been flaring up more. So, yeah, I've just been going to work and laying low, but I just want to say, thank you all for rocking with me. Thank you all for continuing to watch my videos. To my new subscribers, welcome. I didn't even say my name in the beginning of the video. My name is Lexi, by the way. So thank you all for joining, and thank you to my subscribers that I already have. Thank you guys for rocking with me. I promise I'm going to get better. I go to the doctor on Thursday, so I will hopefully be able to film and take you guys with me. But yeah, just want to say thank you guys for rocking with me. Thank you for all the support, for the love. I do receive your comments and your emails about wanting more makeup videos, and I am gonna give you that. My face is finally calming down. I had a reaction with the medication I'm taking, so I'm gonna be putting out more makeup videos and just posting more. And I'm also gonna be starting to post on Saturday for Sickle Cell Saturday, because June 19th is Sickle Cell Wednesday, and I'm also planning to do a giveaway. So yes, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for rocking with me and being so supportive. Thank you to my new subbies who have sickle cell, who reached out and let me know that they have sickle cell. What's up, y'all? Welcome. It's gonna be our day, so we finna get this together and get on the track. Okay, back to the video, y'all, because y'all know I get to rambling. Still doing the same thing, still finger detangling, and then I will detangle with my brush, and I'll apply my oil, and I'll go ahead and twist it up. I will not be washing this oil out in this video because I'm filming right after this because I'm reviewing some new hair products. So I'll be washing the oil out then. So I'm just gonna end the video with you guys, and then I'll be coming back directly in the same outfit with the same twist in my head to do my next video. That'll be posted on Thursday. Yo, my hair is mad dry. Like, look at those little balls at the end of my hair. Like, my hair is like, girl, if you do not get me together. Okay, guys, so I am gonna go to sleep with this oil in my head. So I'm gonna put on 2 plastic shower caps. I'm gonna put on my black, it's like a hard shower cap that I have, and I'm gonna put on a Scully hat, and I'm gonna go to sleep. But go to sleep at your own risk because this oil can get all over the place. Like, y'all see how that hair bonnet was in the beginning. This is how that's gonna look. But I had the whole arm of God on, okay? So I was okay with going to sleep. I was tired. So I'm just going to apply more oil. I did reheat up that bottle. If you're going to heat up the oil in your bottle, make sure you take the top off. And then I'm going to spray some heat protecting on it. I'm going to use the Cam 2 heat protectant spray. I got it from Walmart, and I love the smell of that spray. I find that I love the spray more than I like the serums here lately. So, yeah. My scalp feels so much better already, guys. Like, that hot oil treatment did the job. Like, if your scalp is irritated or you're getting like flakes more often, go ahead and do a hot oil treatment. I was happy that I did it my first time by myself, and it turned out pretty well. Right now, I'm just brushing over my ends. I'm not due to trim, but if I see a piece that needs to be clipped, I go ahead and clip it. And I only clip the part that does not coil. I'm sorry. I only clip the part that does not coil up on its own, and it's only a tiny piece. See? You can see the difference a little bit. Now I'm spraying on more heat protectant to get ready to go under this dryer. And I hate being under the dryer, but I read I'm supposed to sit under it, and also YouTube and the people who I watched did sit under a hair dryer, so here I am. Yeah, I'm so excited to be posting on Saturday soon. Like, I'm ready to start my platform for sickle cell awareness. Like, I would have did this 3 months ago if it wasn't too early, but okay, babes, we're at the end of this video. I'm just showing you all how healthy my hair already looked before I washed the oil out. In the next video, you'll see what I used to wash this out and complete all this. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Look at that, girl. Look. Yes, my scalp feels so much better. All right, babes, I'm finna go ahead and get up out of here. See you in the next one. Bye.